In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Lindy AI, a relatively new artificial intelligence tool that aims to help creators, entrepreneurs, and marketers generate content faster and smarter. Lindy AI markets itself as an all-in-one platform that can assist with everything from content creation like blog posts, email copy, and social media captions, to more advanced tasks like brainstorming ideas, drafting scripts, and even refining text for tone and clarity. With so many AI tools out there these days promising similar capabilities, I wanted to take a deeper look at Lindy AI to see how it performs in real life, what its strengths are, and where it may fall short compared to other options on the market. One of the first things I notice when using Lindy AI is that it is extremely user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive, so even if you're completely new to AI content tools, you can jump right in without feeling overwhelmed. You're greeted with a dashboard that neatly organizes all of the different features, such as long-form writing, short content creation, idea generation, and editing tools. I appreciate how easy it is to switch between different tasks without feeling like you're learning a whole new software every time. This really helps reduce the friction that often comes with adopting a new productivity tool. When it comes to content generation, Lindy AI delivers pretty solid results across a variety of use cases. For example, when I asked it to draft a blog post on a specific topic and provided some bullet point ideas, the AI was able to expand those into full paragraphs that flowed naturally and stayed on topic. The tone was consistent and easy to read, which is important if you're creating content for an audience. I also tested it with shorter content like social media captions and email drafts, and I found the results to be helpful and relevant. Of course, like any AI tool, it isn't perfect right out of the gate. Some rewriting and editing are still necessary to tailor the output to your unique voice or niche. But overall, the drafts give you a strong starting point that saves a lot of time. Another feature I tried was Lindy AI's idea generation and brainstorming capabilities. If you ever feel stuck trying to come up with blog topics, video ideas, or email subject lines, the tool can generate a list of suggestions based on simple prompts you provide. This was especially useful for breaking creative blocks and giving me a fresh set of angles to explore. It feels like having a virtual assistant to bounce ideas off of, and it can truly speed up your planning processes. However, there are a few limitations worth discussing. One thing I noticed is that sometimes the AI suggestions can feel a bit generic, especially in highly specialized niche topics. When you're dealing with very technical subject matter, you might need to refine the prompt further or spend more time editing the output to add your expertise and personality. Additionally, although the interface is clean, there were a few features that felt like they could use better explanation or guidance, especially for beginners who might not be sure when to use one tool versus another. Pricing is another factor to consider. Lindy AI offers different subscription tiers, and while the basic plan gives you access to essential features, more advanced capabilities and higher usage limits are reserved for the premium plans. If you're a casual creator or just dipping your toes into AI content tools, the basic plan might be enough. But if you're a heavy user or managing a business with frequent content needs, you could find yourself considering an upgrade. Overall, Lindy AI is a capable tool that makes content creation more accessible and efficient, particularly for those who want an easy-to-use platform that covers a wide range of text-based tasks. It's not a magic solution that replaces your creativity, but it definitely helps reduce the time and effort required to produce quality content consistently. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Lindy AI or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.